video, we are going to explain about the project title Auth Privacy Chain, a blockchain-based access control framework with privacy protection in cloud. Introduction. The project Auth Privacy Chain focuses on enhancing data security in cloud storage by leveraging blockchain technology. It enables secure file access control and storage through a combination of blockchain and cloud services. Traditional methods lacked effective control over data access and suffered from potential unauthorized access, especially in centralized cloud storage, raising concerns about data security and privacy. Blockchain is utilized to establish an immutable and decentralized ledger, recording access permissions and cryptographic hash codes for files. This ensures that any tampering or unauthorized access attempts can be detected through verification failures. Objective. The project acknowledges the security vulnerability associated with centralized cloud storage. Centralized storage is susceptible to unauthorized access and data tampering, posing significant risk to sensitive information. Addressing this issue is crucial to ensure data security and privacy. To mitigate the risk of centralized storage, the project introduces Auth Privacy Chain, a framework that combines blockchain for secure access control and IPFS, interplanetary file system, for decentralized and secure file storage. Blockchain ensures secure access management and IPFS provides a decentralized storage solution, enhancing overall security and privacy. Auth Privacy Chain allows data owners to exercise control over data access through both direct and indirect means. This flexible access control mechanism empowers data owners to manage and monitor who can access the data. Moreover, data owners have the ability to revoke access, ensuring heightened security and control over shared files, thereby enhancing privacy protection. To bolster security, the project employs AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, encryption to secure files during storage. AES encryption is a widely recognized and robust encryption standard, providing a high level of security for stored files. Additionally, blockchain is utilized to record transactions with verification hash codes, ensuring data integrity. This combination of encryption and blockchain verification enhances overall security and instills confidence in the integrity of the stored data. Requirements. The requirements of the project are hardware requirements, in which we have processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, ROM of 25 GB and above. Software requirements, in which we have Node.js, Python 3.7.0 version and Visual Studio Community version. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is initialization. In the project, the initialization module involves three primary entities: the data owner, the data user, and the cloud server. These entities represent the core actors involved in the access control and data management process within Auth Privacy Chain. The module sets the foundation for user roles and their interactions in subsequent stages of the framework. Registration. During the registration module, all users, data owner, data user, and cloud server sign up using the application. Their registration details are securely stored in the blockchain using the iSafe smart contract function. This ensures that user information is permanently recorded on the blockchain, laying the groundwork for managing access permissions and controls. Cloud to blockchain. The cloud server interacts with the blockchain by issuing a request for registration. This interaction allows the cloud server to register itself on the blockchain, establishing a secure link between the cloud and the blockchain. The cloud server's participation is vital for facilitating secure and decentralized storage of data, integrating the benefits of blockchain technology into the cloud storage ecosystem. User to blockchain. This module involves interactions initiated by the data owner, who authorizes data users via interactions with the blockchain. The data owner can upload or publish files, and importantly, they have the capability to authorize specific data users to access these files. Additionally, the data owner can perform revocations of access, granting control and management over who can access the data and when, adding a layer of privacy and access control to the stored files. This ensures data access to sensitive data remains under the data owner's purview and can be dynamically managed as needed. Blockchain integration. Blockchain acts as a secure ledger storing access permissions, ensuring that data owners and users have a transparent and immutable record of who can access specific data. This enhances control over data access and sharing, mitigating risk associated with centralized cloud storage. Data-related activities such as granting or revoking access and uploading files are recorded as transactions on the blockchain. Each transaction is linked to a verification hash code, creating an unchangeable and auditable trail. This establishes data integrity and authenticity in the cloud management process. The decentralized nature of the blockchain combined with cryptographic hash codes enables the verification of data integrity. The hash codes associated with the transactions act as fingerprints, allowing users to confirm that their data remains unaltered. Any attempts at tampering with block data will result in a mismatched hash code, indicating a potential security breach. This reinforces the security and trustworthiness of the data stored in the cloud. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is auth privacy chain folder. Inside this folder we have privacy chain folder. Inside this folder are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. This is privacy chain app folder. This folder comprises a static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. This privacy chain app folder also contains a templates folder. Within the templates folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. This folder also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is Hello ETH folder. Inside this folder, I have Node modules folder. This folder consists of dependencies or modules needed for the project. Open .bin folder. The .bin folder often contains executable scripts related to the project's dependencies. So here we have run blockchain.bat file. Double click on it to start the blockchain. This script will initiate the local Ethereum blockchain for development purposes. It contains commands to start the blockchain environment. Now the blockchain is hosted on the local machine at this local host and port. This address allows us to interact with the blockchain using various tools and applications. Now execute the command truffle space migrate to compile and deploy the smart contracts. Truffle is a development framework for Ethereum that simplifies the process of compiling and deploying smart contracts. They are deployed on a blockchain network and can facilitate various transactions such as transferring tokens or managing digital assets. Once the migration process is complete, Truffle will provide us with a unique Ethereum contract address. This is the contract address. This address represents the location of the deployed smart contract on the blockchain. This is the gas used to execute the Solidity file and compile smart contracts. This is the amount of gas consumed. Now minimize this. Go to the main directory. This is auth privacy chain Solidity file. This file consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions and events with modifiers for validation. This is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations and more. After deployment, double-click on Start IPFS.bat file to start IPFS server to store images of the application. So here we can see IPFS server is ready and it will run in the background. Now minimize this. This is run server bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the application. The Django framework will host the application locally at the default address, localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this link. I am copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome, and type index.html at the end and hit enter. This is the homepage of the project displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Django framework. Now click on data user sign up here link to add different users such as data owner, doctor and researchers. Now enter the username and the password, and the user type here is data owner, and click on submit. So here we can see sign up process completed and record saved in blockchain. Now again click on data user sign up here link to register doctor. So I'm entering the username and the password, and the user type here is doctor, and click on submit. So here we can see sign up process completed and record saved in blockchain. Now again click on data user sign up here to register researcher. So enter the username and the password, and the user type here is researcher, and click on submit. So here we can see sign up process completed and record saved in blockchain. So we have registered 3 users: data owner, doctor and researchers. Now click on data owner link to log in as data owner. Now here we need to enter the username and the password of the data owner. User type is data owner, and then click on login. So we have logged in as TrueProjects 1, that is data owner. Now click on upload data to upload file to cloud in encrypted form. So here we need to upload a file. So choose a file. So here I'm selecting this file and open. So I've uploaded this image, and we have to give access control. So I'm giving the access control to doctor. This means that the doctor can view the file which I have uploaded. Now click on upload file to cloud. So here we can see given medical file saved in cloud with the hash code. So this is the hash code. Now log out. Click on data users login. To log in as doctor. So I'm entering the username of doctor and the password, and user type here is doctor, and click on login. So we have logged in as TrueProjects 2, that is as doctor. Now click on access shared data to view all the data which is received. So here we can see data owner name TrueProjects 1, file name is angular.txt.txt, and this is the blockchain hash value, and access permission users is doctor, upload time is this, download and view data. So here by clicking on click here we can download the file which is sent to us from TrueProjects 1. So click here. So here we can see that angular.txt is downloaded. Now log out. Now again click on data owner link to log in as data owner. Enter the username and the password, and user type here is data owner, and click on login. So here we have logged in as TrueProjects 1, that is as data owner. Now click on revoke user link to remove access from file by selecting it. So this is the file choose file to revoke user. So this is the file I'm selecting. Now click on revoke user to delete the access. So here we can see users revoked from selected file angular.txt.txt. Now log out. Now click on data users login to login as doctor. I'm entering the username and the password, and user type here is doctor. Now click on login. So we have logged in as doctor. Now click on access share data to view the data which is being shared to doctor. So here we can see there is no data available here because the data owner has revoked the access for doctor. Now click on logout, and now again click on data owner link to login as data owner. Enter the username and the password, and the user type here is data owner, and click on login. So we have logged in as data owner. Now click on upload data link to upload the data. So again I'm selecting the file and open. Now I'm giving access control to researcher and click on upload file to cloud. So here we can see given medical file saved in cloud with hash code. This is the hash code. Now click on logout. Now again click on data users link to login as the researcher. So I'm entering the username and the password, and the user type here is researcher, and click on login. So we have logged in as researcher, that is TrueProjects 3. Now click on access share data to view the data which is being shared. So here we can see the data owner name which is TrueProjects 1 and the file name, and we have the option to download and view the data, and this access permission user is only for researcher. So only researcher can download and view this data. Now click here link to download the file. So here we have downloaded the file. So now click on indirect access control link to access the control for doctor. So here we need to choose the file for indirect access. So I have selected this file, and now we will give indirect access to doctor. Indirect access given to other user for file angular.txt.txt. Now again click on logout. Click on data users login to login as doctor. Enter the username and the password, and user type here is doctor, and click on login. So we have logged in as doctor. Now click on access share data to view the data which is being shared. So here we can see data owner name is TrueProjects 1, and the file name is this, and this is the blockchain hash value, and access permission user is doctor and researcher. Upload date time is this, and here we have the option to download and view the data. Now click on indirect access control. So here we have to choose file for indirect access. So the file I'm choosing is angular.txt.txt, and I am giving the indirect access. So here we can see indirect access given to other user for file angular.txt.txt. So we have given indirect access to both doctor and researcher. Now click on smart contract computation graph. So here we got the graph of blockchain total computation for storage and access permission. So on the x-axis we have the file name, and on the y-axis we have the computation time to encrypt and store file in blockchain. Now close this graph, and now click on logout. click on data users login. To log in as the doctor, entering the username and the password, and user type here is doctor, and click on login. So we have logged in as doctor. Now click on access shared data to view the data which is being shared. So here we can see access permission users is given to doctor and researchers. Now click on logout. So in this way we can register n number of users, and then we can give the data and as well as revoke the data. The conclusion of the project is Auth Privacy Chain employs blockchain technology, enabling data owners to exercise direct control over who accesses their data and the permissions granted. This direct control mechanism is facilitated through the transparency and accessibility of the blockchain. Utilizing blockchain guarantees the immutability of data, preventing any alterations or unauthorized access attempts. This immutability, coupled with the inherent privacy features of blockchain, establishes a secure environment for data storage and access, addressing key security concerns. Auth Privacy Chain offers a seamless approach to access management, allowing for both direct and indirect data sharing. Data owners can grant or revoke access at their discretion, enhancing security and control over shared data. This adaptable access control system fortifies the protection of sensitive information throughout the data sharing process.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.